Hi students, welcome to my channel Excellent Ideas in Education. Today we are going to solve this case study arithmetic progression problem. Cable cars at hill stations are one of the major tourist attractions. On a hill station, the length of the cable car right from base point to topmost point on the hill is 5000 meter. What is given in this question? This is the base point to the top of the hill. This length is given as 5000 meter. This is base. Here is top. The distance of first pole from the base point is 200 meter. This is the first pole from the base point. This is given as 200 meter. This is first pole. And subsequent poles are installed at equal intervals of 150 meter. So next pole is 150 meter. From base to till here is given as 350 meter. Further, the distance of last pole from the top is 300 meter. From the top to here is given as 300 meter. First pole is 200, second pole is 350, third pole again 150. Subsequent poles means next pole is 150 only. From base to third pole is 350 plus 150 is 500 meter. I will draw here. This is base. First pole from here to here is 200 meter. From here to second pole is 350 meter. So this distance given as 150 meter. Here is also 150 meter. This is the top. To here is given as 300 meter. From base to top of the hill given as 5000 meter. Based on the above information, answer the following questions using arithmetic progression. First question, find the distance of 10th pole from the base. Distance of 10th pole. Distance means we will find nth term of AP. What is nth term formula? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Based on the question, we will find the arithmetic sequence. First pole is 200. Second pole is from base to second pole is given as 350. From base to third pole is given as 500. It goes on till 10th pole. What is A? A is equal to 200. D is equal to 350 minus 200. D is equal to 150. N is equal to 10. A10 is equal to A is 200 plus open the bracket N is 10 minus 1 into D is 150 equal to 200 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into 150 equal to 200 plus 9 into 150 is 1350 equal to 200 plus 1350 is 1550 meter. This is A10. Distance of the 10th pole from the base. From base to 10th pole is 1550 meter. This is the answer. Next, second question. Find the distance between 15th pole and 25th pole. So we will minus A25 minus A15. What is the nth term of AP formula? A plus n minus 1 into D. This is nth term of AP formula. Next, A25, how we will write? A is 200 plus n is 25 minus 1. D as it is you have to write it. Minus, open the bracket. A15, how we will write? A is 200 plus open the bracket. N is 15 minus 1 into D. Next, 200 plus 25 minus 1 is 24D minus 200 minus into plus minus 15 minus 1 is 14D plus 200 minus 200 cancel 24D minus 14D is 10D equal to 10 into D value is 150 equal to 1500 meter. The distance between 15th pole and 25th pole is 1500 meter. Next, third question A. Find the time taken by cable car to reach 15th pole from the top if it is moving at the speed of 5 meter per second and coming from top. You see here 15th pole from the top. This is the top portion. I will draw here. This is the base. This is the top portion. Here is top. From here to here is given in the question is 300 meter. This is baseline. Base to from the top is given as 5000 meter. Time taken by cable car to reach 15th pole from the top if it is moving at a speed of 5 meter per second and coming from the top. So from here to base of the hill station. Next, you see here, and subsequent poles are installed at equal intervals of 150. Here is 150. From the top to here is 300. So next pole is given as 450. From the top to second pole. Next is this is 150. So from top to here is 450 plus 150 is 600. Now we will write the arithmetic sequence. Now we will take top to base of the hill station. Top is given as 300. Second pole is 450. Third pole is 600. From the top to first pole, from the top to second pole, from the top to third pole. This goes on. What we need to find 15th pole from the top. Nth term formula we will take. Nth term of AP. An is equal to A plus open the bracket n minus 1 into D. A is 300. D is 450 minus 300 is D value is 150. N value is 15. A 15 is equal to A is 300 plus open the bracket N is 15 minus 1 into D is 150. A 15 is equal to 300 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 into 150. A 15 is equal to 300 plus 14 into 150 is 2100. A 15 is equal to 300 plus 2100 is 2400 meter. Now we got the distance of the 15th pole from the top of the hill. Now we have to find the time taken by the cable car. What is time formula? Time is equal to distance by speed. What is distance? This is the distance. A15 is equal to 2400 meter, right? This is the distance. 15th pole distance is 2400 divided by speed is given as 5 meter per second. So 5 meter per second, here is meter. 1 times this is 4 5s are 20, 480. So 480 meter into seconds by meter. This second goes up. Meter, meter cancel. 480 seconds. We need to convert into minutes. How we will convert into minutes? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. We got 480 seconds. 480 seconds, we will find how much. So cross this and this. 480 into 1 is equal to 60 into x. This one we will take it as x. 480 into 1 is 480 divided by 60 is equal to x. 1 times 1 6 are 6, 8 6 are 48. 8 minutes. Times equal to 8 minutes or 480 seconds. Next, third question B. Find the total number of poles installed along the entire journey. We have to find the total number of poles. From base to here is given as 5000. From top to this distance is given as 300 meter. In this question, we need to find total number of poles. So total number of poles up to here only. So this is the poles. This is 150. So we need to find the n number of poles. Here to here 4700 meter. In this question, you see here from the top to the last pole is 300. From base to top of the hill is given as 5000 meter. 5000 minus 300. So the end of the pole value is given as 4700 meter. Now we will write it as distance of last pole from the base is given as 5000 minus 300. We will get 4700 meter. From the base to last pole, distance is 4700 meter. Now we will write the AP of this. First is 200 meter. Second pole is 350 meter. Third pole is 500 meter. It goes on. Last pole is 4700 meter. We need to find n number of poles, right? So what formula we will take? Nth term of AP formula. AN is equal to A plus, open the bracket, n minus 1 into D. Here AN value is given as 4700 meter. D value is 150 meter. A value is 200 meter. D value 350 minus 200 is 150. AN is 4700 is equal to A is 200 plus n minus 1 into D is 150. 4700 is equal to 200 plus n into 150 is 150 n minus 150. 4700 is equal to 200 minus 150 is 50 plus 150 n. Next, 4700, this 50 goes this side is minus 50 is equal to 150 n. 4700 minus 50 is 4650 equal to 150 n. 4650 divided by 150 is equal to n. 100 cancel. 3 5s are 15. 9 5s are 45. 1 3. So 93 divided by 3 is equal to n. 1 3s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 1. N is equal to 31 poles. This is total number of poles installed along the entire journey. So from base to last pole is how many poles is there? 31 poles is there. So you can take 150, 150. First is 200. After that 150, 150, 150. This goes on 31st poles. Thanks for watching this video.